Have you ever wondered what the secret to being happy is? It's a question people have asked for centuries. Some say it's wealth, others say it's fame. But what if I told you the real secret is much simpler and already inside you? Let's explore this together with a little story. Once, in a quiet, green valley, lived a young boy named Leo. Leo was always searching for something he called the blue bird of happiness. He'd heard stories from the village elders that whoever found this magical bird would be happy forever. So, every morning, Leo would pack a small bag with bread and water and set off on his quest. He climbed the highest mountains, their peaks touching the clouds. He ventured into the deepest forests, where the sunlight barely peeked through the leaves. He even sailed across a wide, shimmering lake. He met many interesting creatures and saw incredible sights, but the blue bird of happiness was nowhere to be found. One evening, tired and a little disheartened, Leo returned home, his bag empty. As he walked into his small cottage, he heard a faint, chirping sound. He looked towards the window, and there, sitting in a simple wooden cage he had built long ago, was a small, ordinary-looking bird. As the last rays of the setting sun shone through the window, the bird's feathers glowed with a brilliant, beautiful blue color. Leo stared in astonishment. The bluebird of happiness had been in his own home all along. He just hadn't seen it. He had been so focused on searching far and wide that he had completely overlooked the joy right in front of him. From that day on, Leo stopped searching. Instead, he started noticing. He noticed the warmth of the sun on his face, the sweet taste of the berries he picked, and the cheerful sound of his little bird singing every morning. He found happiness not in a magical quest, but in appreciating the small, wonderful moments of his everyday life. He realized that happiness wasn't something you find. It's something you create and recognize. This story teaches us a powerful lesson. We often think that happiness is a destination we need to reach after. We get that job, buy that house, or find that perfect partner. We chase after big, grand things, believing they hold the key. But just like Leo, we often miss the happiness that's already here, right now. It's in the laughter of a friend, the comfort of a good book, or the simple pleasure of a quiet morning. It's about a change in perspective. Instead of searching for happiness outside, try looking for it within and all around you. So, what are the little blue birds in your life? What small joys can you appreciate today? True, lasting happiness is a collection of these precious, everyday moments. It's about learning to see the magic in the ordinary. The journey to happiness isn't about finding something new. It's about seeing what's already there with new eyes. Start noticing your own bluebirds, and you'll find that happiness has been with you all along. Thanks for watching and sharing this moment with me. If this story resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more stories to brighten your day. See you next time.